with one tone together. So just drawing the breath in, you can hold the palms open, breathing in deeply. We'll tone to begin the circle. Ready? Good. And drawing the breath in and out of your bodies, be very aware of your spinal cords this evening. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I welcome you. I welcome you. Honor yourselves for being present this evening. Honor yourselves for being present and aware on the planet during such a time of chaos. Chaos is the raw material of creation, and you are creators. Each one of you is connecting to a creator inside of the self more deeply. And so you might find desires to create something as simple as a gourmet meal or a painting or a new dance step or write a book. This creative force, bring a child into the world, this creative force is very powerful now. And the creative force is coming through the crown chakras and the spinal cord. There is no exception. Every single one of you on this call, in this circle this time, and all of you who are listening at a later time, have some congestion in the spinal cord. And so this month, this next several weeks going into your summer solstice, most particularly, it's important to work with the spine. If you are someone who works with acupuncture or someone who does yoga, this is good. Keep it up. Be more conscious when you're working with your asanas or with the acupuncturist to keep the spine open. For the most part, in the group energy, the spinal congestions are at the top of the solar plexus, the center of the heart chakra, mostly at the top of the solar plexus and the center of the heart chakra, and a number of you have a fairly large congestion behind the second chakra, so in the lower part of the back. If you have any back issues or have noticed back pains, particularly in the area of the back of the heart, you are getting signals in your physical body about a shifting in those particular chakras. So the three chakras that we are mentioning, the power chakra, the sexual center, the sacral chakra, which is a creative center, child center, and the heart chakra are undergoing a tremendous amount of infusion of higher energy. The channel hesitated as I was sending impulses. The energy comes through in pulses. And so, like an electric fence or something that pulses on your planet that you can't see, but you can feel the shock of it, there's a pulsing that is going on inside of all of you. If you match your breath to the frequency of that pulsing, you will be able to open some of the congestions in your own body quite easily and not necessarily need a midwife for the process or a healer or an acupuncture or yoga asanas, etc. Although those things can be very helpful at this time.